as you are able to see, I will be performing this activity step by step. So first, I am moving to step number 1. Paint a new sprite, for example, show kids enjoying or exercising. Show kids enjoying or exercising. So already I have opened a new scratch. I will be typing activity 4 and I require to delete this sprite. In order to delete this sprite, you are able to see a recycle bin is there. I will be clicking on the recycle bin. As soon as I click on the recycle bin, the stage will be empty. Now I require to paint it. So in order to paint, you remember what we have done last time? We have gone on choose on sprite and I'll be painting a particular part. Now what I am doing, I'm just selecting a very simple thing over here. Yes, then I'll be selecting a stick or a line. I'm just drawing a stickman again. Yes, now I'll be making use of a brush tool in order to make the eyes. Yes, I require to go for the thickness. Now, simple, I have made a particular and I will be giving name. I'm giving the name as stick man. And I'll be coming to the coding part. Now, this is the first sprite that I have drawn. Now change the color of the sprite. You remember how to change the color of the sprite? First, we require to go on events. Again, after clicking or after drawing the sprite, you require to click on the code part. As soon as you click on the code part, you will be able to see your sprite is present on the stage. So first I am clicking on event because I am doing the second activity, change the color of the sprite. So how to change the color of the sprite? I am just selecting. When clicked, I'll be going on looks and over here you are able to see change color effect by 25 and run it. Are you able to see the difference over here? Yes, I'm stopping the script then running it. Again stopping the script and running it. So the first part is done. That is the first and the second part is done. I have painted a new script and I have changed the color of the sprite. Now point number 3. Paint 3 more sprites doing different actions. Change the costume of the sprite to show different motions. Now what I am doing, I am going to costume. Now you remember this was the first sprite that we have just now drawn. What I am doing, right click it, I will be doing duplicate. Now in order to duplicate it, first of all I am making use of the arrow and I will be just removing the hands. I am just removing the hands and again I will be just making the hands perpendicular or one line exactly from the center. Perfect. Another line exactly from here. So this is the second costume. Now paint 3 more costumes. What I require to go for, again duplicate. You are able to see over here. Select the arrow button. Delete the lines that you have just drawn and again a line because I require to show different actions that are performed by the sprite. Perfect. Yes. Again duplicate sprite, arrow button, again change it to straight lines. So my 4 sprites are ready. You see costume 1, costume 2, costume 3, costume 4. So this was the activity that we have done till now. The remaining part of the activity will be covered in the next part of the presentation. So I'll be continuing with the next step, that is step number 5 and so on. I hope this particular part was very clear to all of you.